Fancy being in a luxury yacht club? I think that does sound interesting. What does this entail? Well, on Rollercoin, you're going to find a luxury yacht club event that you can take part in, and it is quite new and it's not too late to join, even though the event did start around 1 week ago, and it's still time for you to be able to get a whopping 9.2 petahash per second in power. Stay tuned to find out more. Okay, 9.2 petahash per second. That is no joke. So what have Rollercoin done this time in order to be able to give us this cool dream, the cool Luxury Yacht Club event dream? So here on my screen, you can see my Rollercoin room, and here you can see some of my little yachts that I've started to collect. Now here is some more information about the event. So, prepare to set sail on high seas and join Hamster for an exclusive Luxury Yacht Club event, okay? The big event that will run from July 30th to August 21st. So as I said, this has been going on for a little over 1 week, where you basically need to gather your own private yacht club by getting 9 luxury minor yachts during various events. Gather yourself a collection of yachts and get a unique and powerful The Big Boss Miner, okay? The Big Boss Miner is going to give you a whopping 9.2 petahash per second if you gather all 9 of those miners, okay? Now, this is how it's going to work. You need to collect 9 unique miners from the 30th of July to the 21st of August at 12 UTC. You need to obtain them during progression events, crafting offers, and flash sales. You need to be sure to collect all the miners by the 23rd of August at 12 UTC time. You'll get a free 9.2 petahash power miner by obtaining all the 9 yachts. So what you need to do is you need to only put those in your room, and that's going to be explained a little further on, but I'm telling you now that you actually, to get these, you don't actually need to actually put them on the racks, but they need to either be in your inventory or on the racks in your room by the 23rd of August. You're going to get to keep a collection of 9 minor yachts and the Big Boss Miner forever, meaning you are not going to actually have to get the 9 yachts and then they're going to disappear and turn into one big powerful the Big Boss Miner yacht. But no, you're going to get to keep them all. So you're going to get potentially 9.2 petahash and all of the individual miners' power that you are collecting. So that's going to be roughly, I did calculate this, it's going to be close to around 13 petahash per second if you manage to actually acquire all the 9 yachts, and then you'll get the 9.2 petahash Big Boss for free. So that's really cool. You can only get 1 Big Boss miner per account, okay? So to get the Big Boss miner, you need to gather your own yacht club by collecting all 9 yacht miners in the upcoming progression events, crafting offers, and flash sales. And here is a list. I'm not going to read through all of it, so I'll just leave a link down below if you didn't know about this event already, what you can actually do. Now, even though some of the dates have passed already, so July 30 to August 6, for example, August 1st to August 8, some of these dates have already passed, you can still find these on the marketplace and actually purchase them, and they're not all that expensive to get most of them, okay? So for example, if we check out the Crystal Saw and we just go to the marketplace here and we just paste that in here once it loads up. So a crystal saw is going to cost you 14 RLT, okay? And also bear in mind that these do actually have a little bit of a bonus as well attached to them, so that's going to help increase your overall mining power in your room as well. So back to the information here, you need to basically collect all of these. It's giving you the event and what's going to be running. At the time of recording this video, there is currently the Sunset Sizzle 2 crafting offer as well, and there is the Deep Blue Ocean Progression event going on, okay? These have just started at the time of recording this video just a few moments ago, so make sure that you actually take note of the progression events and the yacht flash sales that are coming up as well, in order for you to be able to get all 9 of them. Okay, again, all collected miners should not be on the marketplace by August 23rd. That is the date that then everything will be closed off, and you would need to actually have all of the 9 miners. Like I did mention a bit earlier, you do not actually need to have them on your racks, but you just need to have them acquired. They need to be at least in your inventory, but you don't actually need to put them in your room. But why wouldn't you put them in your room? Because that would actually give you more power. So that information is actually here. Note that you'll get Big Boss Miner without crafting. All you need is to have all 9 miners in your room or inventory, so they don't have to be on your racks. Okay, so if you just like forget one of them and say, oh no, I didn't put it on the rack by the 23rd of August, okay, then don't worry about it. It's all going to be okay. Here they're saying August 28th, up here they're saying 23rd. I would just be careful and just make sure to collect them all by 23rd. They're in your room by the 23rd, okay, not August 28th. I think this might be a typo, I'm not sure. And then you'll get the Big Boss Miner for free if you have all 9 of those yachts right there, those speedboat yachts, and you'll be in the Luxury Yacht Club as well. So that would be pretty awesome. So make sure that you do follow my other videos as well. I am going to be on holiday for the next 2 weeks, so you might not see many more videos from me coming up. I do have other videos that have been scheduled, but there might not be other new content on my channel just yet, because I'm just going to be on holiday for 2 weeks. Okay, I hope that you're all enjoying summer if it's summertime for you in the part of the world that you live in. If not, I hope that you're having a good time as well. So I will be back with more videos and new content and other content as well. Make sure to check out all the videos on my channel. It's not just about Rollercoin or play to earn games or crypto mining. There are many things on my channel related to tech and using tech in a fun and simple way as well. So be sure to check out everything and all the videos on my channel as well. So I hope that you found this content and this video useful for you, and that you will actually try your best to sail away with the Luxury Yacht Club with Rollercoin as well. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below and smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.